Most of you are familiar with the words like IAS, IPS, IFS, etc. But how many of you know regarding Indian Medical Service IMS? This hashtag Indian Medical Service is getting popularized day by day social medias. In this video, we are going to analyze about the Indian Medical Services, why it is to be implemented, and what are the advantages of creating a cadre of Indian Medical Services in the UPSC examinations in a very detailed manner. So now let's enter into the video. Indian Medical Service is not something new which is getting implemented in India. It was prevailing before independence. Indian Medical Service was actually a military medical service in British India. The practitioners in the Indian Medical Service served during the First and Second World War, and they were also working in the civilian hospitals also. Leaving all those aside, what is the importance of creating a cadre for Indian medical services in the current scenario? The pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic, has demolished, has shattered the health system of India. The reputation of the health system of India has gone to the bottom. One can easily blame the large population of the nation and the people not cooperating with the government's rules regarding the lockdowns. But still, it has proved that our health system is not up to the mark and it needs some reconstruction. Recently, the Parliamentary Committee has also expressed views in introducing a new cadre called Indian Medical Service Cadre, similar to IAS, IPS, or IFS. And the major role of this cadre is to bring a major change in the health system of the nation. So, the basic requirement for those who apply for the Indian Medical Services would be they must be at least having an MBBS degree. The Indian Medical Services will be conducted by the UPSC, but the basic qualification to become an IAS, IFS, or IPS officer will be just to have any degree. But the special requirement for becoming an IMS officer is that you must have an MBBS degree. So, what will be the advantages of creating the Indian Medical Services? The advantage of creating Indian Medical Service is that as of now the IAS officers are posted in charge of controlling the pandemic and in managing the health sector departments. Since they are just administrative officers with minimal knowledge and with respect to medical field, the decisions which they make will be less efficient when compared to an officer with an MBBS degree, as IMS officers will have a maximum knowledge regarding the healthcare setup and in controlling the spread of the diseases and in eradicating them. So now the Indian Medical Association is also suggesting the rule makers to create a separate cadre for the Indian medical services. The government has also made certain blunders with regard to the postponement of the NEET PG and involving the third and the final year MBBS students who don't have much clinical knowledge in COVID duties, while there are thousands of medicos who are left unemployed after MBBS. Though the untold reason behind this decision is that government is not ready to appoint new government doctors as they have a fund shortage to pay a huge amount of salary to these doctors when compared to giving a minimum stipend to the PG students. As the Indian Medical Service officer will be having an MBBS background, or in short, to be frank, he will also be a doctor, so such unjust and blunder policies which will affect both the doctors and the public won't be taken. When such separate post is created, it will definitely be a game changer and it will bridge the gap between decision making and delivery of the healthcare services. When the Indian Medical Service comes into action, each district will have an IMS officer like an IPS or an IAS officer. Current scenario is that you have money, you go to the private hospital. Only if your pocket is empty, you reach the doorsteps of the government hospital. The reason behind is improper infrastructure, improper administration, and poor patient care. These problems will get a solution only if there is an administrator with a medical background. Above all, IMS officers will also hold a key role in the national health policy framing of the nation.